Welcome back to the Motivation Guru, your go-to channel for personal growth and self-improvement. In today's video, we'll discuss an essential topic: how to make people respect you. Gaining respect from those around you is crucial for your growth and well-being. By implementing the practical advice in this video, you can transform your interpersonal relationships in profound ways. Are you ready to command respect? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell button, and let's dive in. The importance of being respected cannot be overstated. When people respect you, doors open, obstacles disappear, and progress flows much more easily. However, respect is not something that is automatically granted. It must be earned through your words, actions, and integrity. One of the foundations of earning respect lies in developing a respectable character. Cultivate virtuous qualities such as honesty, kindness, hard work, and dependability. Be polite, yet confident. Helpful, yet assertive. Stand up for your values and morals with courage and conviction. People will respect you for having a strong, principled character. Another key aspect of earning respect is through your competence. Becoming highly skilled and effective in your professional area of expertise is crucial to gain people's respect. Continuously seek to expand your knowledge and improve your abilities. Share your expertise with others through mentorship or teaching. Notable accomplishments and a proven track record of success will make others respect your competence and skill. But respect is not a one-way street. Treating others with respect is equally important. Treat all people with courtesy, politeness, and consideration. Value others for their inherent worth and dignity. Praise the achievements and qualities you admire in the people around you. The respect you show to others will be reciprocated, creating a positive cycle of respect and goodwill. To gain respect from others, your actions and behaviors matter most. How you conduct yourself on a daily basis will determine whether people see you as someone worthy of their respect or the opposite. Focus on integrity and reliability. Do what you say you will do. Meet your commitments and follow through on your promises. Be on time and prepared for meetings and engagements. People will come to see you as dependable and trustworthy. Show courtesy and kindness towards others. Treat people the way you wish you be treated. Use please, thank you, excuse me, and always wear a smile. Assist others in need. Your considerate behavior and good manners will not go unnoticed. Demonstrate competence and confidence in your work. Pursue excellence in your field and continuously improve your knowledge and skills. Accept responsibility for mistakes and learn from them. Earn respect through consistent, high-quality work and a strong work ethic. Value diverse opinions and be open-minded. Respect others' perspectives and be willing to consider different points of view. Avoid close-mindedness and judgment. Make an effort to understand those who are different from you. People will respect your openness and fairness. Contribute value to your community. Do small acts of service that make a difference. Get involved in local organizations or causes you care about. Make a positive impact through volunteering your time or skills. Giving to others in meaningful ways will gain their esteem and respect. To gain the respect of others, it's essential to communicate in a courteous and considerate way. How you speak to people directly reflects your character and attitude. Those who articulate themselves in a respectful manner are more likely to earn the esteem and deference of their peers. When conversing with others, make eye contact. Give them your full attention and listen to understand rather than just reply. Ask follow-up questions to clarify points and confirm you comprehend their perspective. Respond in a thoughtful, measured way, considering your words carefully before speaking. Provide feedback and share your viewpoints respectfully. Make an effort to understand other stances and find common grounds. The language you choose reflects your level of courtesy. Employ please, thank you, excuse me, and avoid insulting or demeaning speech. Do not raise your voice or use aggressive body language. Respect personal space. Refer to others in an inclusive, courteous way. Politely correct any insensitive remarks and suggest more appropriate terminology. Everybody makes mistakes and misjudgments at times. Have the humility and courage to acknowledge when you are wrong. Sincerely apologize without qualification. Say, "I am sorry," and admit your error rather than make excuses. People will respect you more for taking responsibility for your actions. Follow through with appropriate remediation and change in behavior. To make people respect you, you must first respect yourself. This means establishing clear boundaries and demanding to be treated with dignity. Identify your physical, emotional, and behavioral boundaries, and determine what you will and will not tolerate from others. Communicate your boundaries clearly and directly. Do not let people take advantage of you or disrespect you through their words or actions. Stand up for yourself assertively and professionally. Carry yourself with confidence and self-assurance. Walk tall, maintain good posture, and make eye contact. Speak with clarity and conviction. Develop a strong sense of self-worth and believe in your abilities. When you respect and value yourself, others will see it and respond accordingly. Remember, respect is not something that can be demanded or forced. It must be earned through your actions, character, and the way you treat others. Be patient and consistent in your efforts to earn respect. It may take time, but with perseverance, you will create a positive reputation that commands respect. So, to summarize, cultivate a respectable character, demonstrate competence, treat others with respect, be reliable and dependable, communicate courteously, contribute to your community, and respect yourself. By following these principles, you will pave the way for earning the respect of those around you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn how to make people respect you. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. And as always, stay positive, stay motivated, and keep striving for greatness.